The KROSER Rolling Laptop Bag 17.3-inch is designed with a durable and high-quality waterproof fabric, ensuring your belongings stay protected from the elements. Featuring a large main compartment, this bag is perfect for storing office essentials or clothes for overnight trips, making it highly versatile for both business and personal use. The dedicated laptop compartment is well padded and securely fastens your laptop with a Velcro strap, providing excellent protection for devices up to 17.3 inches. A telescoping handle that retracts into a zippered compartment, along with quality silent wheels, makes commuting and traveling with this bag a breeze. The bag includes lockable zippers with keyholes and RFID pockets, adding an extra layer of security for your important belongings and personal information. Convenient features such as a well-knitted luggage strap allow the bag to easily slide over the handle of your suitcase, enhancing your travel experience.